only problem for tourists coming from other countries is the creature called stray dog. These dogs not only scare the foreign tourists, but they have bitten many morning walkers and people who come for jogging. We know that in Canada or USA or European countries, you will not see even one stray dog or stray animal in public park. And if you have a pet, you can take that pet under leash, and if it poos, you will have to pick up the poo, and if you don't pick up the poo and put it in the dustbin, then you are fined $2,000. Many politicians, bureaucrats visit foreign countries, but this menace of stray dog bites in India is increasing day by day. And people, especially the foreign tourists, they are scared of coming even to a beautiful city, Chandigarh. I talked to head of dog squad in Chandigarh, and he told me that we have controlled the population of stray dogs to the extent that if we were not there, then the population of dogs in Chandigarh would have been more than the human population. I was surprised to hear. Now let us talk to this stray dog if he can tell why he is here. Now he is here because there are some people who have a wrong habit of feeding stray dogs. They come here, they feed them, and these stray dogs are here only for this. And simple solution that comes as a common sense is that you can have a specific place and let everybody put whatever it wants to give it to the stray dogs, and let them be there. They will not be walking inside the parks. Or this is Shanti Kunj. Shanti means peace, but people are scared of, especially the foreign tourists, they are scared of these stray dogs. Now he wants to read the newspaper. What an intelligent dog. No, he said, I could not read. You see if you can read it. And this is sad news for us. Controlling stray dogs is not a rocket science. Just keep a special place for them and collect all the garbage from hotels, leftover food, and feed them there. This can be done if there is a will, and if the administrators, politicians are sensible. I think it is not difficult to control, and you can attract more tourists, foreign tourists. So I hope Chandigarh administration will do something and take care of these creatures. They are not at fault, because somebody is running, they consider it as a prey, and they'll bite the running children. So I think I have given a good suggestion to Chandigarh administration to clear these parks. And even at Sukhna Lake, I find a lot of stray dogs, and they are sitting on the car which they are kept at the gate for emergency and all that. They are comfortably sitting there. Maybe the security guards have employed them because they can sleep in the night and the dog will do the duty. So thank you very much. All the best.